Very shocking claims being made by the National Investigation Agency in the Ambani residence bomb scare case against ex-top cop Sachin Vaze. The NIA probe has now revealed that suspended API Sachin Vaze had himself placed the threat letter in the explosives-laden Scorpio that was found parked near industrialist Mukesh Ambani's residence Antilia on February 25th. The NIA has revealed that Sachin Vaze had first forgotten to place the threat letter inside the Scorpio and had later gone back to plant it. According to the reports during the investigation, the NIA officials have found that Vaze coordinated the entire exercise from parking the bomb-laden vehicle near Antilia to placing the threat letter inside the car. The NIA officials have relied on CCTV footage from the Mulund toll naka to arrive at the conclusion. On February 25th, the Mumbai police had recovered a letter addressed to Mukesh and Neeta Ambani from the bomb-laden Scorpio that claimed that the planting of explosives was just a trailer and threatened to return later with more preparations to assassinate the entire Ambani family. Reportedly, a constable named Vinayak Shinde working under Sachin Vaze at the Crime Intelligence Unit had accompanied Vaze to plant the Scorpio with explosives near Antilia in the early hours of February 25th. The Scorpio driver later left in an Innova. Later, two persons were spotted in the same Innova which re-entered Thane from the Mulund toll naka around 3:27 am. The CCTV footage revealed that around 4:03 am in the morning, the Innova was again seen entering Mumbai, but this time with a different number plate. The same number plate was used by Vaze for more than a month while travelling to his Crime Intelligence Unit office at the Mumbai Police Headquarters. The probe further revealed that Vaze had initially forgotten to place the threat letter inside the SUV and returned to the crime spot in an Innova. He was caught by the CCTV cameras, one at the Mulund toll plaza and another near the Antilia premises. The NIA has also learned that Vaze had promised 50,000 rupees to Constable Vinayak Shinde to provide him with the logistical support. Shinde is the other accused in the Ambani bomb scare case. The NIA official stated that Vaze, who was present inside the Innova, was wearing a white kurta. After parking the bomb-laden vehicle near Mukesh Ambani's residence, he stood there for about 10 minutes. The images were captured on CCTV cameras. Again at 5:18 am, the same Innova was seen travelling towards Thane from Mumbai to drop Vaze home. Earlier, it was reported that Sachin Vaze's staff had admitted to the NIA that the man seen wearing a PPE suit and walking towards the Scorpio was none other than Sachin Vaze himself. The staff had also revealed to the investigating officers that Vaze was spotted near Antilia wearing a PPE kit on the eve of the bomb scare incident. Sachin Vaze's staff has said that Vaze later destroyed the PPE kit. The National Investigating Agency officials had recovered a shirt from Sachin Vaze that was allegedly worn inside the PPE kit. Following this, the National Investigation Agency, probing the Antilia bomb scare case, recreated the entire crime scene near Mukesh Ambani's residence. According to the CCTV footage of the area, suspended API Sachin Vaze was made to walk the entire scene. Interestingly, Sachin Vaze was also made to wear an oversized kurta, a mask and a handkerchief over his head to recreate the 25th February crime scene. This recreation of the crime scene, where Sachin Vaze is wearing an oversized kurta, a mask and a handkerchief on his head, seems to lend credence to the report that the NIA has the evidence of the man in the PPE kit being none other than Sachin Vaze himself. An official told the Free Press Journal, "Our probe has revealed that Vaze had forgotten to place the threat letter inside the SUV, and on realizing this, he went back to place the threat letter that was not handwritten but typed on a computer. His movement near the SUV was caught by the CCTV camera of a nearby shop on the Carmichael Road where Antilia is located." The National Investigation Agency arrested encounter specialist Sachin Vaze for being a part of the group that planted the explosives-laden Scorpio on the Carmichael Road near Antilia on February 25th. The top cop was also investigated for his alleged role in the death of Mansukh Hiren, the owner of the Scorpio that was found near the Ambani residence. Two cars, a white-colored Innova and a green-colored Scorpio, were used to plant the bombs outside Mukesh Ambani's residence in Mumbai on February 25th. The police had traced the Scorpio to Mansukh Hiren, who was an auto part dealer in Thane. A few days later, surprisingly and very shockingly, his dead body was found in a creek. While initially it was claimed to be a suicide, further investigation revealed that it is possibly a murder. Later it was found out that Sachin Vaze had used the same explosive-laden Scorpio found outside Mukesh Ambani's residence to escort Alibag police in the Arnab Goswami case, where he was taken in custody for abetment of suicide of interior designer Anvay Nayak. So you see, everything is connected. But today's development in this case by far is the most shocking, and if proven in the court, then it can make life for the once decorated and celebrated cop Sachin Vaze very, very difficult. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Connect with me on Instagram. We can chat on @ReviewRon. That's my handle. Subscribe if you like my content here and find it worth it. But as always, thank you so much for watching.